Hello everyone, welcome to the Fullen Academy and MTech Software. In the series of Market Decoded, we will see how week was and what are the key levels for a coming week. So in this month so far, index has formed a very strong bull candle and it is near about up by 6%. In this week, in the initial part of week, we have seen some sorts of mild selling pressure, but later on it has recovered on the high side. On week basis, index has improved near about by 1.5%. On a daily chart, if we see that means prices has keep on moving on the upside, but it was like a sideways to the positive momentum. But throughout the week, it kept on finding the resistance at the 16,700 level. However, after touching the resistance level, there was no any kind of substantial selling pressure was there. There is no piercement of the support level even on the intraday chart. So it indicates that still there is a strength into the market is there. Above the 16,700 level, we are seeing the fresh breakout, and the next best levels can be at around 16,850, and the next one is near about by 17,000 level. So as far as a very short-term structure is concerned, so let's say intraday to one or two trading sessions kind of view if you are trying to make. So here we can understand that means prices has made its base around this particular point. That is a 16,580 or 550 around. So this is what our prior days low was also that, means 6,550 level, and it has a certain kinds of very technical reversals levels around this level. So as far as this level is concerned, 16,550, from a very short term perspective, we are under the bulls territory. And if we take a little bit deeper values over there, so from a short term perspective we can say that the Nifty is fine as far as we are sustaining about the 16,350 level. So this is what in the bulls territory from a very short term perspective and a short term perspective we can say. From a sectoral perspective, in a last series we were talking about the energy sector, and in this week energy sector has did quite well, and it has gained near about by the 3%. And after the good amount of consolidation patch this week, we are seeing some sorts of good momentum on the high side. Just to have a view on number perspective that what sector has moved well. So this is the last week performance we can say, where the Nifty energy, metal, IT, next 50, PSU or public and enterprise stock did quite well. We have seen the mild selling pressure in auto sectors, which is into the negative momentum. So auto and media and consumer sector was the one which has been on the negative side. Otherwise, all the sector has ended on the positive side. We have keep on seeing certain kind of selling pressure in the mid cap and small caps in our earlier time, but now the small caps and mid caps also they have started to pick up its momentum. The Nifty was up by 1.5%. So here we can say that the mid caps and small cap has mid cap has improved by near about by more than 2%, and as well as small cap was up by near about 2%. So there is some sorts of extra momentum in a mid cap and small cap that we are witnessing, and these sectors likely to do well after the corrective fall that we have seen into this. So going forward, this particular sector strategic index perspective, small cap mid caps is on the edge. Nifty is retaining, it's in a positive stand above the 16,700 level. There is a good momentum we can see. As far as the Nifty bank is concerned, it is still under the it is not into the positive momentum as well as it is not into the negative momentum as well. It is tight into the consolidation patch. Somewhat it is in middle of the band as well. So kind of the performance we keep on seeing under the banking stocks, but yes, energy stocks and small cap mid cap stocks likely to do well in the coming time. FMCG stocks can also give a strength to the broader market. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.